Hello, children. Today we are going to start with our chapter first, that is our body. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about our body. As you all know, that our body has different body parts, and what we call those body parts are organs, right? So, let's enjoy with a chapter with the function of human body, sense organ, and healthy care of the body. So here some warm up question has been given. You have to do what is wrong in this picture below. आपको wrong बताना है क्या इसमें गलत है, right? And you have to circle them. So human body, what it is a wonderful creation. It has many different parts and each and every part, हर एक part क्या है हमारे लिए important है. So each part has a specific name, एक specific name है, एक specific function है. हर एक part का like you can see here is a boy. What here in the image it has shown the different parts of the human body. This is head, right? This is eyes, nose, mouth, arm. What are these? Hand. This is trunk. We have what we call them limbs also. They are known as limbs. Okay. It's what are these? These are also limbs. We have foot. We have toe, ear, right? What are these? These are the different body parts. So here some fun zone has been given to you. You have to compare the things given between you and your best friend and you have to take it's your homework because everyone have different things. So you have to mark yourself. Now, functions of the human body. Every part of the body perform different function, right? With the help of hands, we write, we hold things. With the help of legs, what we do? We walk, we stand. So every body parts have different function. So our body is like a machine. It can do many more things that machine cannot do. We can perform many activities using the different parts of our body. We move with our legs. हम अपने legs का use करते हैं move करने में, right? Running, jumping and kicking. We need to use our legs and hands both to swim. हम दोनों का use करते हैं अपने legs का भी, अपने hands का भी. We work with our hands. और किससे work करते हैं अपने hands से, right? Like holding, writing, pulling, pushing. We smile with our face. We speak with our mouth. So we do different things. Next will we have sense organ. How many sense organ do we have? We have 5 sense organ. Eyes. With the help of eyes, what we do? We see things around us. And it is also called sense of sight. Then we have nose. With the help of nose, what we do? We smell things, right? And it is the sense of smell. We have tongue. With the help of tongue, what we do? We taste different things. With the help of ear, we listen to the different sounds. And skin, we feel different things. Whether it is soft, hard, right? So it is the largest sense organ. That is your skin. These are the 5 sense organs that I have told you. So with eyes, we see things. We taste with the help of tongue. We touch with the help of fingers, skin. We hear to the sound with the help of ear. And we smell with our nose and taste with our tongue. So it is possible to sneeze with your open eyes. So sense organ helps us to know about our surrounding. We all have 5 sense organ: eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. What are these? These are the 5 sense organ. Now, healthy care of the body. How you will take care of your body? So we must take care of our body. A healthy body has healthy mind. Keeping clean to stay. आपको कैसा रहना है? Clean रहना. अगर आपको healthy रहना है, तो you should remain clean. So do we keep ourselves safe from corona? Right? We use what we do at that time. We have done that. We wash our hands. We wear masks. So it is for taking care of your body. To stay healthy, we should pay special attention to on the following parts. We should pay special attention on the following parts. Wash your face and eyes. आपको face और eyes दोनों को wash करना है for several time. Wash your hands with soap before and after eating. खाने से पहले भी और खाने के बाद भी. Right? Brush your teeth in the morning at night and keep your nose clean. And what you have to use your handkerchief also. Cut your nails regularly, keep them clean. आपको regularly अपने nails को cut करना, उनको clean रखना है. Take a bath daily in the morning, comb your hair daily. आपको बात लेनी है morning में daily. ठीक है, कॉम करना, wear clean clothes and keep them tidy, always eat fresh and homemade food. आपको कैसा फूड खाना है? फ्रेश एंड होममेड, राइट? Rinse on your mouth after this. ठीक है, हर खाने के बाद. तो who cuts our toes and nails? You have to tell your, आपके कौन nails काटता है, right? Your father, brother or mother. Do you wash your legs after removing your shoes? Yes or no? That also you have to tell. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, keep enjoying, keep learning with me. Now we will meet in the next class.